All right. So for my Culture of Pedagogy podcast, I selected Let's Make Better Slideshows and selected Human Right Article number 15, which is that everyone is entitled to nationality and they also have the option to change their nationality. I thought that this podcast highlighted a lot of great points about making PowerPoints better in the presentations that we use in classrooms as technology is becoming um, more essential and common in our learning environments. So to start with my kindergarten through third grade tip, I picked that consistency is key and that keeping it simple and same will be better for the younger learners. I kind of picked this because um, for children at this age, consistency and routine play a large role in their educational development, and I found this website, which is called VoiceThread, which essentially lets children make their own presentations, um, except instead of a majority typing on each slide, you do a lot more of a voiceover. So they just have different tabs that you can click on to learn more. And I think that this would be a really effective tool for the younger ages, especially since they might not know how to type or write every word that they want to yet. For 4th through 12th grade, um, I wanted to focus on knowing that too many words is not necessarily good, that sometimes just highlighting the main points, like the vocab words, is plenty, that sometimes less is better. I just also wanted to throw in this little guide that helps students outline what good note taking looks like, as I feel like that will be very beneficial in their future, whether that be higher education or their jobs or anything like that. The tip that I would like to implement in my hypothetical classroom would be PowerPoint notes, which I think is very helpful because it allows teachers to just share or email their presentation with students ahead of time, which could both give them the opportunity to look through the presentation and the material that's going to be presented to them, as long as it has a note feature. So if students just go to view, which I have circled here, there is a note pages tab, which will just pull up each slide, and then it gives the option to type the notes underneath each slide. I found this to be helpful because along with being able to do it on your computer, you can also print off the pages when you are done, or even if you wanted to print the pages before, you could handwrite your notes underneath in that box. Article 15, I found to be a little difficult to incorporate into this, but in the end, I just kind of figured that PowerPoints and presentations like this are good because it allows for students to explore their creativity and be themselves as an individual rather than just as one person of a state. And that is my screencast.